subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day.
Hey friends, welcome back. This is part 3 of eating phrases and Turkish language. Today we will cover these phrases. I'll have that was delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious, but I'm full. That's enough. Thanks. Okay? So let's start the lesson without wasting time. First, the waiter is waiting for you and asking you to order something. So you will say, I will have, and your orders. In Turkish, you will say like this. Ben, the things you want to order. Then you say, istiyorum. Ben, the things you want to order. Then you say, istiyorum. Ben istiyorum. Okay? It basically means I will have and the things. Ben means I. İstiyorum means I want. Then the waiter brought your orders and then you finished eating all the things and you say, that was delicious. In Turkish you say like this. Çok lezzetliydi. Çok lezzetliydi. Çok lezzetliydi. It means that was delicious. Çok means a lot or very. Lezzetliydi means was delicious. Lezzetli means delicious. Or if you are eating and you want to say it's delicious while eating, then you can say çok lezzetli. Çok lezzetli. It means it's delicious. And I told you the meaning. Now you have eaten too much and one of your family member is telling you to eat more. Then you say çok lezzetli ama doydum. Çok lezzetli ama doydum. Çok lezzetli ama doydum. It means very delicious, but I'm full. I'm full means your stomach became very big because of eating too much. Okay? Here, ama means but. Doydum means I'm full. Now, if someone offers you more food or anything else, you say, that's enough, thanks. In Turkish you say, yeterli, teşekkürler. Yeterli, teşekkürler. It means, that's enough, thanks. Yeterli means enough. And teşekkürler means thanks, as you know. I hope you got them all. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed, then please like the video and share with others. And most importantly, subscribe and click that bell icon to get notification of every new lesson which I upload. Okay? Thanks for watching. Görüşürüz.